The dire health and economic situation the world now finds itself in really reflects the history of pandemic diseases. Diseases caused by pathogens and viruses from animals like rats, birds and bats that harbour novel coronaviruses which our human immune system does not recognize and cannot defend. The rapid spread of the coronavirus has highlighted a persistent concern in the healthcare community, the need for effective pathogen clearance technologies for human blood plasma and biologics.
Aphios is developing a virus clearance technology called CFI for the rapid inactivation of pathogens and viruses in blood products and biologics. CFI is purely physical, very much like the popping of a balloon. It does not use heat, chemicals or radiation like computing technologies. CFI is both safe and effective.
Our next steps are to build and test beta site prototypes and initiate the FDA regulatory process.